So, in my previous videos, we have talked a lot of things about law of attraction and how it can change your life. In this video, we are going to learn more techniques to implement in our vision board, because it's really important when we have the things in our reality, when we have the things in front of our eyes, we manifest a lot faster because it keeps on reminding our subconscious mind that we need this point of thing in our life. So universe delivers this thing to you in a much faster and a better pace, which you can't even expect. So my name is Ekam and welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decode Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, and so many other things. So basically, what is a vision board? Vision board is something, a visual representation of your goals and dreams to keep you focused and motivated. Something, some tool, some vision, some images, some statement which can remind you that you want this thing to happen into your life. Okay, a visual representation, maybe a photo, maybe a collage, maybe a calendar, maybe a wall, maybe your own mind. It can be a vision board for you. Okay, so vision board is just a thing which helps us to have a visual representation of the particular thing what we want in our life, and then we just let go, we just see to this thing, and we just feel that it is already there in our life, and we let the universe deliver this particular thing at the divine timing, just like I told you in my last video. Also, what are the steps to create an effective vision board? It is like gathering material, magazine, printouts, board, glue, pen, beautiful glitters, stickers. Be as creative as you can. More effort, more result. More energy, better result. More emotions, your entire game will change. And it's really powerful, because when you're doing this vision board technique, give all your time, all your energy into it, and just see the magic. Because if you're not doing it with your heart, any manifestation technique, if you're not doing it from the emotions, from the heart, you're just doing for the sake of doing, you're just expecting that if I do this particular thing, I am going to get this particular thing, then you are on the wrong track. You are really on the wrong track. Okay, so gather the materials, then choose specific goals. It can be career, health, relationship, marriage, kids, future, money, traveling, anything, whatever goal you're having. Then spirituality can be a goal, and not many people have this goal of going more towards a spiritual journey. But if you're having, let me know in the comments that are you really interested to go on a spiritual path, or you are just interested to get the materialistic things in our life. I would be happy to hear your thoughts. Also, you can add affirmations and motivational quotes. Then you can add the clear picture of what you want. If you want $10,000, make sure you make a sign of dollar, or just get a picture of the dollar currency and you write down 10,000. If you are wishing to manifest a job, make sure you write that title down. What job, what company, what profile, what salary. And you have to be creative. The more creative you are, the better it will be for you to have that particular thing in the reality. Okay, also, you have to place it where you can see it daily. You're lying down, place it to your ceiling. You're waking up, place it to your front wall. You are using phone, use a wallpaper. Maybe you are brushing your teeth, maybe near your mirror, in the washroom, everywhere, anywhere you can put. Office table, you can put it there. Your workspace, you can put it there. So the point is, how much you are seeing it on a daily basis. The more you see, the better it is for you. Okay, also, why vision board works, this is a question. So this activates the law of attraction by keeping your goals in focus, and also it reminds you that you are wishing to manifest or wishing to get this particular thing in your life. You are reminding your subconscious mind, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind, you are telling yourself again and again that you want this thing to happen. And when you have that burning desire, I want this thing at any cost, universe delivers to you. And if I share my story, I used to do journaling. I used to make a vision board just by my hand, and I used to see it every day. I used to imagine it every day that I'm training people, I'm traveling, I'm making money, I'm having a good health, I'm having a better relationship, I'm having good people, I am having good opportunities. So these kind of things I used to write down. I used to have pictures, I used to have wallpapers, I used to visualize, and here I am. I am just doing what I wanted to do. So it actually works. It is just, are you even ready to believe in the power of universe and the God? God is going to deliver it to you, but are you even ready? So that's all for now. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you. Take care. Stay happy. May you manifest all your goal, dream, desires, and wishes in your life. Om Namah Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev.